Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the Blender app is crashing repeatedly in your computer, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is check the system requirements of the Blender app. So we'll go to the Microsoft Store and we will search for Blender, and then we will check the system requirements. So here you can see when we scroll down, it says this product should work on your device, and we can even scroll down and see exactly what Blender requires. So it requires a memory of 2 GB and 8 GB recommended. 2 GB recommended. So if this shows a tick mark, or there's no recommended requirement on your PC, could be the reason why it's crashing. If your PC meets the system requirements, then the next thing you need to do is to update your graphics card driver. So we'll look for device manager, and we will look for the display adapters. Right click on this, click on update driver, and then search for drivers automatically, and that should fix the issue. If that doesn't fix the issue folks, then we have only two more options left. One is to repair and reset, and the other one is to uninstall the app and reinstall it. So we'll go to settings here, and we'll go to apps, then click on installed apps, and then we'll search for the app Blender. Here we get it. Right click, click on these three buttons here, left click and click on advanced, and then click on repair till a tick mark comes, and reset again till a check mark comes, and then we will reopen the app and see if it's still crashing or not. If it does crash again, unfortunately, then we'll have to reinstall and repair the app. So we'll go to settings, apps, installed apps, and look for Blender. Right click on these three buttons on go to install, click on uninstall again, and then we will restore it by searching for Blender in the Microsoft Store, and we'll click on get, and it should install automatically. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.